In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in Google Maps. So if you have Gemini, okay, you go to Gemini and you go to the top right on your profile and you go here to settings. You're gonna see the option, hold on, let's go here, let's go to settings, and you're gonna see this option that says talk to Gemini hands-free, and you're gonna see while driving this option here. So we're gonna enable these options right now in Google Maps. So first I'm gonna enable the GPS here and go to Google Maps and go to the top right on your profile, and here go to settings and navigation. Now down here go to OK Google detection and just enable Hey Google. Now this might just make you go through some like voiceovers to test and just get your voice, like basically it's testing your voice here. So once you do the steps, just gonna turn on and done. So here you'll notice that it's enabled. Let's just like skip this for now. Now I'm gonna go back here and this is my location. So what I'm gonna do now is just choose a location just to test. So for example, this one, I will just select this one. Let me just select, I'm not sure why it's not selecting, but let's try selecting this option here. Okay, now it works. So basically I'm gonna select this option and choose start to start the location. So I have blurred my location here. So once you start the like location and start the Google Maps, you'll be able to find this icon here. It might not show here, it might show like maybe down, but let me just disable this. So what you're gonna do is simply click on it and ask it anything. So let's just say, like, let me just test here, like how many gas stations are on my route, and it's gonna, so once you ask it here, you're gonna see that it's gonna pull out all of the gas stations that are on your route. So you can also ask it like other stuff, like if there's restaurants like nearby, what's the nearest restaurants. You can just click the same button and do the same thing. So I'm gonna ask it if there's any near restaurants. What are the nearest restaurants on my route? So as you can see, it's displaying all of the nearest restaurants. It's basically all of them are closed because it's 2 a.m. right now, and that's basically it. That's how you use Gemini and basically the OK Google function on Google Maps. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.